Hello everybody, how are you doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Thank you for tuning in. I am Andrea Mason, your certified global voice motivational speaker under the mentorship of the legendary Dr. Les Brown and your personal accountability coach. Well, talk about the weather suiting the mood. That's where I am today. I'm a little bit somber today as electronics have a way just to catch you off guard. I am reminded today of a loved one that I have lost. So pardon me for hesitation and my emotions. I'm not going to apologize for them because they're legit, they're real, they're authentic. And this one really hurts. Life is so precious. It is so precious that we must surround ourselves or have at least a few individuals we can talk to. Individuals that want nothing but the best for us, that can effectively communicate, effectively listen. You know that's my key nugget in every video. Someone you can call or text or go to at the drop of a hat. We are human beings with so many emotions, highs and lows, energetic and stagnant, melancholy, if you will. I'm reminded of the energy, the frequency that this individual possessed, making me smile, laugh, and there were so many traits and qualities that were just so powerful and impactful. You had a rough day, you knew where to go. So intellectual, so powerful that their mission is to be well-rounded and knowledge and intellectual, as well as doing their research. So whenever a discussion arises, we'll be prepared with both sides of the coin. It's hard for me because this individual is a unique spirit, soul, and entity. Every time they would call or text or we see them, it was just amazing, completely amazing. The struggles, the pain, the confusion, I just don't get it. I don't understand how the world works, and I don't know if we're supposed to. I just know that our time is limited regardless of what happens. We put off so many things for tomorrow, thinking and guaranteeing that there is a tomorrow. Truth be told, it's not up to us. It's not up to us. This is the only action 99.9% of the time that we are unable to control. Get out. Talk to your family and friends. Talk to your loved ones, your strangers. Be mindful of those who are silent. Be mindful of those who are hidden. Be mindful of yourself. Too many times, more often than none, We just go by the day, we complain, we do the best that we can, and we close it with this statement that I despise. It is what it is. And it's far from that. We have to learn how to communicate, to listen, to understand, and to be brave enough to remove the toxicity in our lives, whether it be people, incidences, occurrences, positions in the workplace. We have to be mindful and take control. It is not for anyone else to have power over us on how we live our lives. I realized today, because of my previous personality, I limited myself to a small amount of individuals that I shared with. But the joke's on me because they're no longer here. And to find others, to not replace them, but be there for you, it's difficult because the history and the stories aren't there. They have to be retold. And when you retell your stories, many times we relive the emotions. Be bold enough and brave enough to surround yourself with people who want nothing but the best for you. I made the mistake of only having a select few that I felt comfortable, that I shared. One even being an animal, my pet, my dog. And now they're all gone. I am here for you. My word is my bond. I do what I say. I feel. And I care about you and want nothing but the best for you. Life is short. Tomorrow's not guaranteed. So live every day like it's your last. For you never know. I miss you so much. And I'm reminded of you today. But I know you're here. That amazing laugh. Bright smile. Just the stories and memories. And the time you spent with us. If you are struggling today, if you are struggling in the workplace, in school, in your relationship, in your home, or in with the reflection of your mirror, hear this from my heart. I am here for you. I love you. And I want you to do nothing but exceed your fullest potential. I thank you for listening. I thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'm still a work in progress, and I've got a lot of projects coming down the pipe. This This one today is for you. I love you and I miss you. Thank you for staying till the end, allowing me to be authentic and emotional, because what you see is what you get. As a woman of integrity, I bring you and I welcome you on this roller coaster of life and remind you every single day you have a choice to press play. Plan life according to you, and please make every day count, every day memorable, every day magical. How are you going to leave your legacy for your loved ones? My name is Andrea Mason. I thank you. I appreciate you. This one's for you.